6 healthy men went to sea, but within weeks their bones began to fail. Why? That's a question. And if you want to be able to answer what used to happen to seamen, then you need to understand the microscopic structure of bone. Hello, my dear students. I'm Dr. Vaishali Bharambe, Professor Anatomy. Osteoprogenitor cells. Osteoprogenitor, they are stem cells. They give rise to other osteoblasts. They are present in periosteum, they are present in endosteum, and they give rise to osteoblast. Part of the osteoclast, which is doing the slow breaking of bone, has become ruffled here. It's called as the ruffled border. And this space, white space here, is called as a clear zone, into which it's going to release the acid for resorption of the bone. Here you can see that there is a little depression in the bone. That depression where eating of bone is happening by the osteoclast is called as a Howship's lacune. So what the osteoclast will do, it will release carbonic acid and digest the organic matrix, resulting in bone resorption. This is the process of bone resorption. And what are Howship's lacuna is a very common viva question. Do please revise it. The matrix now into which the collagen fibers are released is organic and inorganic. Organic matrix you've already done with connective tissue made up of glycosaminoglycans, proteoglycans, glycoproteins. Okay, and they're going to anchor the collagen fibers to the rest of the matrix. Basic structure of bone. I've already told you, bone is a lamellar structure. You can see lamellae here, 3 lamellae. And you can see that between the lamellae, there are gaps called lacunae. And these gaps are, of course, occupied by osteocytes. So, lamellae with osteocytes stuck in between. But those osteocytes are formed in a gap. The gap is called as a lacuna. So here's a lacuna. Here are the beautiful osteocytes. And they are communicating with each other through bony canals called canaliculi. What are they doing? They're just giving out processes. One process, second process, third process, which are staying in touch with each other, allowing nutrition to make its way between the bony lamella. Bone is hard. Nutrition has to pass from one lamellus to the other. Canaliculi are the only way this can happen. Who helps in passage of all this? The osteocytes, which are therefore said to be bone maintaining cells. Finally, let's come back to the question we started with. Why are their bones paining? Their bones are paining because their diet does not contain vitamin C. So there was this captain on a boat who decided to go on an island, picked up oranges, and half his sailors were made to eat oranges. Within a few days, the sailors began to get better. Alright students, if you enjoyed this lecture, do please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon.